Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I'm bringing you these silicone license plate frames that I thought were pretty neat. One of you guys mentioned them to me and I never even heard about them before, but I thought it'd be a great idea to show you guys here. It's an alternative for the metal ones that we always use. These won't rust, of course, and they won't scratch your car, and they won't rattle is the biggest thing. So let me open them up and show you what you get with this package. Okay guys, so with this one, you get two of the frames. You get this little tool to help put the lip over the actual license plate. And you get all the screws and the screw covers you need. And each one's gonna take 4 because it's 2 on top, 2 on the bottom here. Some people said that these don't fit, but I'll see if they do and I'll let you guys know. But I really like these. I think it's subtle, really good material here. If you look here too at the bottom, they put drain holes, which is nice. So when it rains or you wash your car, it'll drain out instead of trapping it, which will eventually rust the license plate, especially on the back side. It's really nice though. And this will protect the car from any scratches. And I run the Legacy plate, so it's just gonna be all black anyway. So kind of wanna get away from the metal frames because they do rattle and they do rust no matter what. Really basic design, you just stretch this around the license plate and then you bolt it to the car. But I'm excited to see how these look. The reviews I've seen on them are amazing, so I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to pick some up. They're only about 14 bucks for 2 of them, which is a lot cheaper than those metal ones, at least good quality ones, that is. So let's go ahead and I'll put the frame in there and show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you it actually on the car too. So let me go ahead and put the frame in there. Okay guys, so here's a license plate in the actual silicone frame. As you can see how it fits here. Really easy, it's just stretched around it. All the holes that are accessible. And just make sure that the bottom has those drain holes. That's the only way you can tell. They go toward the bottom, so it's all you just want to make sure that's how you put the license plate inside there. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. But again, with the black plate, it just flows and you don't have to worry about rattling, using double-sided tape so it doesn't rattle, nothing like that. And it'll never scratch your car. And as far as like longevity, shouldn't fade. It's silicone, so I bought black frames before and they always fade or they get dull too. So I'll go ahead and install this on the car and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so here it is on the car. Again, I like it a lot. It's really subtle, especially with the black plate. It all flows together, and then when you slam the trunk, it doesn't budge, which I like. And it doesn't touch the car either. My other cars have had the frame like right here and it would scratch the paint. Where this one, it's all silicone, so you don't have to worry about that. So I thought that was a good idea. Like I said, I never even heard about these before, but I like them. And it's flexible too, so you don't have to worry about that. It's got a give too, like when you wash your car and stuff. So, and it has all the bolt covers, and they actually all do fit too, so that's a nice thing. So let me go ahead and show you the front one. Here's the front. Very clean looking, especially with the bracket. It fits perfect on the OEM license plate bracket. And again, all the hardware they give you fits perfectly. So I don't know if they were a little different, but they fit perfect and everything snapped in place. So you don't have to buy new hardware either. So that's a plus. Okay guys? So I think it looks really good. Like I said, especially if you're running these black plates. It's very clean design. Again, check the description. I'll put the link in there. Guys, check it out. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And again, I'll upload another video in a couple days here. So please stay tuned. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I will talk to you guys later.